I like how it does it on the third beep now, instead of the second.
This is a test of the emergency alert.
There's also a faster transition to the alert.
For situations, the National Weather Service transmits a signal that automatically activates specially built receivers. Tests of the receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday near 12 noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next day without a severe weather threat. The following tones will conclude this test. The weather radio station WXM, Puget Sound area, and broadcasting at a frequency of
And then it does the call sign
162.55
immediately
megahertz.
after, which is pretty cool now. Alright guys, that tested at exactly 12 o'clock. This is like the third or fourth test for Seattle on the new broadcast message handler system. It's raining, so the signal is enhanced slightly for some of the channels, such as WWG24. That'll do it for the video. Hopefully this will get out soon. I start school tomorrow. Today is August 31st. So, see you guys later. This is Milton Washington Tech 1999, signing off.